Security gadgets may have gone high-tech, but even thieves are getting more skillful and bolder by the day. New age GPS technology is now coming in to address a range of security issues and help track the movement of not just vehicles but persons too.
It is virtually impossible for an owner to keep an eye on his fleet of vehicles. Traditionally, black box is known as a device designed for airplanes. It keeps records of all parameters and works as a storehouse for flight information. Now, a Chandigarh vehicle-based management company named Blackbox has adopted GPS technology for monitoring vehicles. On a computer screen or mobile phone, one can check the vehicle speed, real-time location, distance travelled and even details of all the stoppages anywhere. What's more, even theft from the fuel tank can be detected. The Global Positioning System is a space-based global navigation satellite system that provides reliable location and time information. The Haryana police are using the device to track their PCR vehicles.
पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम में भी हमारा कंप्यूटर है जिसपे पीसीआरस की अपडेटेड लोकेशन पता चलती है। तो जैसे कोई इंसिडेंट होता है तो उन्होंने पीसीआर भेजनी होती है मौके पे, तो कंप्यूटर पे देख सकते हैं कौन सी पीसीआर क्लोजेस्ट है, तो रिस्पांस टाइम इंप्रूव हो जाता है। इसके अलावा प्रिजन वैन्स पे लगाया गया है, तो जो प्रिजनर्स की मूवमेंट है, चाहे वो अम्बाला जेल से हो, भूंसी जेल से हो या जगाधरी जेल से हो, वो मूवमेंट भी हम इससे ट्रैक कर लेते हैं कि ये तो नहीं है कि प्रिजन वैन अननेसेसरीली कहीं पे रुकी है प्रिजनर को किसी से मिलाने के लिए या अननेसेसरीली रूट में डाइवर्जन किया है। एंड इट हैज आल्सो हेल्प्ड द पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट सेव अ लॉट ऑफ पेट्रोल।
The GPS technology in fact recently helped Haryana police crack a kidnapping case. They have now asked Blackbox to work on a gadget which will not only track a person's movement but will also ensure voice recording.
We're coming with a small device for the people basically can track humans now. That's a new stage. We can only track individual, where the individual has been moving at this point of time. That is a new advance we're coming with 6 months to 1 year. We have seen there's a Salesforce team, the manager sitting at office, the Salesforce team is in the market and they want to basically monitor the Salesforce team is been really working and has made the commitments, what they say on the cell phone as they say, oh, we are here and there. But actually they're sitting at home and having a cup of tea with their family. That is no more now. Basically they can be tracked on real-time basis.
Banks too have joined the league, realizing the importance of the device in their vehicles used for transporting cash to various branches safely.
Earlier in our bank, whenever we used to send the cash vans, we didn't know where the exact location is, whether this cash van is reaching on time and it is reaching safely, or in case its security is also very important. And it so happened, in so many incidents took place where we have seen cash vans being hijacked by the miscreants, and there is a loss of cash, and also that brings our affects our image also of the bank.
Interestingly, the company is flooded with demands from cautious parents who want to keep a track of their kids' movements by installing the device in the kids' vehicles.
GPS technology is now being tweaked and reworked in diverse ways. From police to vigilant parents, corporates to banks, all are seeking custom-made solutions to address top security issues. As they say, to catch a thief, one has to be smarter than him. With camera person Rinku Mehra, this is Verleen Kaur, Day and Night News, Chandigarh.